How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Sia. What's your name? My name is Sia. Where are you from? I'm from India. Where are you from? I'm from India. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Are you busy? Not really. Are you busy? Not really. Can you help me? Of course. Can you help me? Of course. What time is it? It's 3 p.m. What time is it? It's 3 p.m. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. What's your favorite food? Pizza. What's your favorite food? Pizza. Can you drive? Yes, I can. Can you drive? Yes, I can. Do you have siblings? Yes, two brothers. Do you have siblings? Yes, two brothers. Where do you live? In Mumbai. Where do you live? In Mumbai. Are you tired? A little. Are you tired? A little. What day is today? It's Monday. What day is today? It's Monday. Do you like music? Yes, very much. Do you like music? Yes, very much. What's your hobby? Reading books. What's your hobby? Reading books. Can I sit here? Sure. Can I sit here? Sure. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. What are you doing? I'm studying. What are you doing? I'm studying. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Is it raining? No, it isn't. Is it raining? No, it isn't. What color do you like? Blue. What color do you like? Blue. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Do you play sports? Yes, football. Do you play sports? Yes, football. What's your phone number? It's 12345678. What's your phone number? It's 12345678. Are you happy? Yes, very happy. Are you happy? Yes, very happy. Do you watch movies? Yes, often. Do you watch movies? Yes, often. Can I ask you something? Sure. Can I ask you something? Sure. What's your favorite subject? English. What's your favorite subject? English. Do you cook? Sometimes. Do you cook? Sometimes. Are you married? No, I'm not. Are you married? No, I'm not. Where do you work? At a school. Where do you work? At a school. Do you like animals? Yes, I do. Do you like animals? Yes, I do. Can you sing? A little. Can you sing? A little. What's the weather like? It's sunny. What's the weather like? It's sunny. Are you cold? No, I'm fine. Are you cold? No, I'm fine. What did you eat? Fried rice. What did you eat? Fried rice. Can you open the door? Certainly. Can you open the door? Certainly. Is this seat taken? No, it's free. Is this seat taken? No, it's free. What's your favorite movie? Avatar. What's your favorite movie? Avatar. Do you use Facebook? Yes, every day. Do you use Facebook? Yes, every day. Can I borrow your pen? Sure. Can I borrow your pen? Sure. Are you sleepy? Yes, a bit. Are you sleepy? Yes, a bit. What's your dream job? A doctor. What's your dream job? A doctor. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Have you finished? Not yet. Have you finished? Not yet. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. What's your favorite drink? Orange juice. What's your favorite drink? Orange juice. Can you dance? Yes, a little. Can you dance? Yes, a little. Do you have a pet? Yes, a cat. Do you have a pet? Yes, a cat. Where is the bathroom? Over there. Where is the bathroom? Over there. Are you excited? Yes, very excited. Are you excited? Yes, very excited. What time do you wake up? At 6 a.m. What time do you wake up? at 6 a.m. Do you like English? Yes, very much. Do you like English? Yes, very much. Can I help you? Yes, please. Can I help you? Yes, please. What's your favorite fruit? Mango. What's your favorite fruit? Mango. Are you afraid of dogs? No, I'm not. Are you afraid of dogs? No, I'm not. Do you like shopping? Yes, sometimes. Do you like shopping? Yes, sometimes. What's your favorite season? Winter. What's your favorite season? Winter. Can you play guitar? No, I can't. Can you play guitar? No, I can't. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. Are you thirsty? Yes, a little. Are you thirsty? Yes, a little. What are you reading? A novel. What are you reading? A novel. Can you come tomorrow? Yes, I can. Can you come tomorrow? Yes, I can. Do you study every day? Yes, I do. Do you study every day? Yes, I do. What's your favorite animal? Tiger. What's your favorite animal? Tiger. Are you bored? No, not at all. Are you bored? No, not at all. Can you speak English? Yes, fluently. Can you speak English? Yes, fluently. What did you buy? Some clothes. What did you buy? Some clothes. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Are you at home? Yes, I am. Are you at home? Yes, I am. Can you wait a minute? Sure. Can you wait a minute? Sure. What's your favorite song? Perfect. What's your favorite song? Perfect. Do you like mornings? Yes, very much. Do you like mornings? Yes, very much. Can you ride a bike? Yes, easily. Can you ride a bike? Yes, easily. What's your favorite app? TikTok. What's your favorite app? TikTok. Are you nervous? A little bit. Are you nervous? A little bit. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I do. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I do. What country do you want to visit? Cambodia. What country do you want to visit? Cambodia. Can you hear me? Yes, clearly. Can you hear me? Yes, clearly. What's your favorite sport? Basketball. What's your favorite sport? Basketball. Are you learning English now? Yes, I am. Are you learning English now? Yes, I am. Can you repeat that? Of course. Can you repeat that? Of course. Are you having a good day? Yes, absolutely. Are you having a good day? Yes, absolutely. What's your favorite book? Harry Potter. What's your favorite book? Harry Potter. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love it. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love it. Can I take a photo? Sure. Can I take a photo? Sure. How was your day? It was good. How was your day? It was good. Do you have any questions? No, I don't. Do you have any questions? No, I don't. What's your favorite color? Green. What's your favorite color? Green. Can we be friends? Yes, of course. Can we be friends? Yes, of course. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. What do you think? I think it's great. What do you think? I think it's great. Do you mind? Not at all. Do you mind? Not at all. Where are we going? To the park. Where are we going? To the park. What should I do? Just relax. What should I do? Just relax. Can you show me? Yes, sure. Can you show me? Yes, sure. Is it far from here? No, it's near. Is it far from here? No, it's near. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Coffee. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Coffee. How much is it? It's $5. How much is it? It's $5. Can you speak slowly? Yes, I can. Can you speak slowly? Yes, I can. What's the meaning of this word? It means happy. What's the meaning of this word? It means happy. Are you comfortable? Yes, I am. Are you comfortable? Yes, I am. Do you want anything to eat? No thanks. Do you want anything to eat? No thanks. What's your major? English. What's your major? English. Can you help me with this? Sure. Can you help me with this? Sure. Do you want to go out? Yes, I do. Do you want to go out? Yes, I do. What's your plan for today? Study. What's your plan for today? Study. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, let's. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, let's. How do you spell that? C-A-T. How do you spell that? C-A-T. Do you like Cambodia? Yes, very much. Do you like Cambodia? Yes, very much. Are you satisfied? Yes, I am. Are you satisfied? Yes, I am. Can I have your WhatsApp? Sure. Can I have your WhatsApp? Sure. What do you want to be in the future? A teacher. What do you want to be in the future? A teacher.